Hi, it's Paula here at the Diet for Living School Kitchen, where I share with you foods that outsmart cancer. Today's healing food is extra special. I want to talk about a potent medicinal I recommend for all of us cancer survivors at any stage in our healing journey. It's handcrafted ceremonial cacao made by a Mayan women's collective on the shores of Lake Atitlan, Guatemala. I'm more than grateful to these women for all the effort they put into making ceremonial cacao the old way, their traditional way. The cacao beans are prepared by hand, grinding them into a paste on a flat stone, then formed into a disc and put out into the warm sun to dry. It can then be made into a nourishing drink, much like people have been doing there for thousands of years. Why do I suggest ceremonial cacao for us cancer survivors? Because too often, cancer makes us feel out of body, disconnected. Cacao is a heart healing plant that has the ability to center us while strengthening our heart chakra. The word cacao means heart blood. The heart is tough and resilient, but also easily overwhelmed and fragile. With this healing food, we allow grandmother cacao to help us forgive and free ourselves. Setting aside a time daily to prepare ceremonial cacao helps us connect to the work that we need to do, as each of us travels on our own unique healing journey. Okay, I can't wait to show you this wonderful healing food from Holy Wow Cacao. This is what we call the mother block. It comes in a big sphere like this, so it just smells divine. It's amazing. Okay, and so I'm going to cut off a little bit for our drink. And so I try to work pretty slow because I want to be intentional. I want to pay attention. And so it's a little bit of work, but it feels really good. It's really satisfying. So I'm going to just keep chopping here. And I'm going to see if I have an ounce. Take and put that into my ounce cup. There we go, about that much. There we go. And get the last little bits. Okay, and I have some nice plant milk here, and I'm going to put that into the pot. I'm going to turn the stove on. And I want to keep it on low because I don't want to hurt any of the nutrients or the antioxidants in it. And then I'm going to put my cacao in. And I have a little extra over here for Joseph. So I'm going to make sure he has some later. And I'm going to put in some organic pure bourbon vanilla extract from Trader Joe's. I just love this stuff. Ooh, it smells really good too. So I'll get my my spoon out and put some of that in. There we go. Nice. Okay, and then I have a little bit of pure maple syrup over here. And I want to put that in. This is going to be so lovely. And in it goes. Nice. And then I have a frother here, and we're going to froth it. Now, if you've never used a frother, these things are really fun. Okay, and off I go with my frother. And keep it frothing. There we go, got it. It's a double hit on it. It keeps that frother going. And so I'm just kind of just watching the bubbles collect. Okay, and then I'm going to just put my finger in it. I don't want it to be too hot. We're almost there already. Oh, that's really good. Okay, I'm going to give it one more froth. There we go. Okay, I think I got it just right. And then I'm just going to ladle it out into my cup. You can see how easy this is. Ooh. I'm always so excited when I do this, and I do it every day. But it just never gets old. Okay. And there we go. This is, you've made yourself some ceremonial cacao. Okay, Put this here. You give it a little sip. Oh, it's so nice, so nourishing, it's so centering. And so you just slowly drink it while you meditate, and you just, just let the world go by. And all your cares, just let them go. As always, I send you love and support as together we grow and evolve. If you'd like to stay connected, be sure to press the like and subscribe button and check out the recipe below.